If you've just clicked on this video, then it's not too late to click off of it and watch something else. Because like my previous series of unfortunate event makeup videos, this is filled with misery, despair, and discomfort. This week's video is from the Vile Village, and this look is of Officer Sabrina, Pepper, Anastasia, Marigold, Donatella, Viola, Cappuccino, Milano, Sarah, Petunia, Alexandria, Mary Ellen. You probably know her better as Officer Luciana. So let's get started. So I already used this foundation from Almay. Now I'm going to take this gray shade from MAC and I'm going to put that all over the eyelid. Then I'm going to take this matte black shade from Urban Decay, the shade Blackout, and run that through the crease. So if it's a little too thick in spots like mine is, have no fear. Just use a concealer and a small brush and fix it. You may need to wipe the brush off as you go so you don't spread black eyeshadow. Using this light shade, Polyester Bride. Liquid liner from the company I forgot how to pronounce. Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. So I'm going to use this pencil liner. It's from Sally Beauty. Obviously I've used it a lot. It used to be pretty long. On the lower waterline. More of the black eyeshadow and put this along the lower lash line. Let's give these lashes a try and see what happens. Clean things up. Now to contour with this shade here from NYX. Highlight with this one. Blush from L'Oreal. So then taking a lip liner from NYX. So here we have our finished Officer Luciana look. Obviously she had a police helmet on and a police jacket. I do not have either one of those. And she had a nice braid going on, but I don't have the skill to do that. Thank you for watching this dreadful, dreadful video. Do not check out the other unfortunate event looks. Don't check out the blog for more info. Do not subscribe. Do not follow any of the social media pages. Unless you like misery, then by all means. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.